You've just stepped onto your cruise ship, ready for a wonderful adventure at sea. But wait, there's a little known secret that many travelers miss, and it can make or break your entire trip. Especially for senior travelers, ensuring a smooth start can mean the difference between a stress-free vacation and unnecessary hassle. What is it? Well, in the next few minutes, we'll uncover not just this, but 10 must-do steps that will set you up for a smooth and enjoyable cruise. First off, if there's an emergency, where do you go? Before you start exploring, there's one crucial task: locating your muster station. This is your emergency meeting point, and knowing where it is could save your life. You'll also need to watch a short safety video. Don't worry, the ship crew is going to help you with this step every time. The odds that something is going to happen is almost zero, but that's also what they said about the Titanic. So make sure you know where to go unless there's an emergency. For senior travelers, safety is paramount. Familiarizing yourself with emergency procedures and locations ensures peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your cruise without worries. Taking a few minutes now can save you precious time in an emergency. Now that you've ensured your safety, do you have everything you need to move around the ship easily? Next, make sure you collect your cruise card or wearable medallion. This isn't just your room key, it's also your onboard wallet, your ticket to dining, and even a way for the crew to assist you better. On some ships, your card will already be waiting for you by your cabin door. But if it's not there, you'll need to go to guest services to get yours. For senior travelers, keeping track of a single essential item like the cruise card simplifies the entire experience. Rather than carrying cash or multiple cards, everything is conveniently stored in one place, making transactions easier and reducing stress. With your cruise card in hand, where should you head next? Let's talk about getting settled in your cabin. Heading to your cabin? Before you start unpacking, do a quick inspection. Check if the lights, outlets, and yes, even the toilet are working properly. Ever heard of a phantom flush issue on ships? It's rare, but frustrating, and reporting it early can save you from a mid-voyage hassle. For senior travelers, ensuring your cabin is in top shape is essential for comfort. Any small inconvenience like a broken outlet or missing pillows can make a big difference in your stay. Taking the time to check now ensures a smoother and more enjoyable trip. If there's something broken or out of place, just contact your room cabin attendant to have it fixed. They can usually get everything arranged within a day. Now that your cabin is in order, how about finding a relaxing spot to enjoy your first meal on board? Feeling hungry? Most passengers make a beeline for the buffet, leading to long lines. But here's a smart traveler's secret. The main dining room often serves a quieter, more relaxed lunch. Some specialty restaurants even offer Embarkation Day discounts for paid areas. For senior travelers, avoiding long lines and noisy crowds makes for a much more pleasant dining experience. The main dining room not only offers a calmer atmosphere, but also allows for better service and seating arrangements tailored for comfort. Now that you're fueled up, let's make sure you don't miss out on the best experiences on board. Imagine missing out on that spectacular theater show or the best dinner spot because you waited too long. Some reservations fill up within hours of boarding. If your cruise allows pre-booking, secure those spots now, and if not, head straight to guest services or use the cruise app to grab a seat before they're gone. For senior travelers, pre-booking activities ensures you get the best seats and dining experiences without the stress of last-minute reservations. Planning ahead means you can relax and enjoy without the worry of missing out. Now that you have your entertainment planned, how about getting familiar with the ship itself? In addition to shows and dining, you may be interested in a cooking class, a wine tasting, or a relaxing spa session. Some of the best activities require early signups. Senior-friendly fitness classes or enrichment lectures can also be popular. So will you grab a spot now or risk missing out? For senior travelers, selecting the right activities enhances the cruise experience. Whether it's wellness sessions or educational talks, registering early ensures you get to enjoy them stress-free. Now that your schedule is set, let's make sure you're ready to capture these amazing memories. Did you know that many cruise ships have hidden lounges, quiet libraries, or even secret sun decks? Now's your chance to explore before it gets too crowded. One tip: find the best viewing spot for the sailaway. The best views aren't always at the main deck. Sometimes the secret spot is just around the corner. Can you find it? For senior travelers, knowing the ship's layout early on makes navigation easier throughout the trip. Finding peaceful spots away from the crowds can enhance relaxation and create a more enjoyable experience. But before you fully settle in, have you met the one person who can make your stay even better? Your cabin attendant is your go-to for extra pillows, special requests, or even helpful cruise tips. A little kindness goes a long way. So introduce yourself and remember their name. Need extra hangers or your ice bucket filled daily? Now's the time to ask. So senior travelers, having a friendly and helpful cabin attendant can make a big difference. They can assist with accommodations, provide recommendations, and ensure your stay is as comfortable as possible. Make sure to tip your cabin attendant after your trip. Now that you're comfortable in your cabin, are you ready to make the most of the cruise's activities? Before you get lost in the fun, switch your phone to airplane mode. International roaming charges at sea can be shockingly high. Even if you have a Wi-Fi package, keeping airplane mode on ensures no unexpected charges. This simple step can save you hundreds of dollars. For senior travelers, avoiding unexpected charges is crucial. By ensuring your phone is set correctly, you can stay connected without financial surprises. The first day of your cruise is one of the most exciting. Don't forget to take a moment to snap some photos, whether it's the stunning ocean views, your pristine cabin, or the ship's grand interior. These will be treasured memories of the start of your adventure. For senior travelers, having keepsakes of the journey is a wonderful way to relive the experience later. Don't forget to hand your phone or camera to a fellow passenger so you can be in the photos. 2. Now that you've captured the moment, let's ensure you avoid unnecessary expenses while on board. Now you're set for a perfect first day at sea, but we know that traveling to incredible destinations far from home requires careful preparation. From choosing the right clothes to packing must-have essentials, a well-prepared traveler enjoys a stress-free journey. That's why we want to help you even more by offering a complete travel packing list, absolutely free. Simply scan the QR code on the screen, and it's yours to download. This list is designed to ensure you have everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable cruise. And before you go, we'd love to hear from you. What's your best cruise tip? Drop a comment below and share your wisdom. Bon voyage and happy cruising!